Hello. What's up? What are you doing? This is Biz Kitchen. Welcome back. And today we're cooking a special meal. We're doing pork. We're going to be cooking it alongside some veggies and ugali. So I've already cut my pork in small cubes. You can see, and it's very fresh, yeah. And the ingredients for today, everything is already cut into pieces. I have my onions, plenty of it. I have my tomatoes, the capsicum. I have the ginger garlic paste here. Not a lot, but that one will be enough. And I have the corianders and the spices. This is what I'm going to be using for the spice. This is garam masala. There is a paprika. There's black pepper. And there's also the ginger, the powder one. But I don't think I need this. No. There's no need of using that one because I already have the fresh one, right? I also have the soy sauce. The dark soy sauce. So what I'll do, I'll start by heating up my pan with a little oil. Then I dip in my pork. So stick around and see how I do it. So I'll start by heating up my oil. These are like 2 tablespoons. That is enough. Then I'm going to dip in my pork. There we go. So what I'll do, I'll keep stirring. Then I'm going to add salt. There we go. So I'm just going to allow it to cook for a few minutes. I'm not going to cover it. I just allow it to cook. Then after that, I can start adding in my spices and my ingredients. The reason I'm doing this is because I want all the water to come out of the pork so that it can get to the point of removing the oil, you know. Because the pork always has a lot of oil. To get to a point and the oil starts just coming out of the meat. There we go. And that oil is the same one that I'm going to use it to recook the pork. I'll let it cook for a few more minutes. As you can see, the oil is coming out. There's way too much oil. Is it oil or fat? Too much fat here. Okay. As my pork is cooking on the other side, here I was doing the veggies. You can see. There we go. I'm going to add in. This is the coconut cream. just to spice it up, make it yummy even for the kids. Okay, okay. I didn't see that coming. There we go. You mix up everything. There we go. It's ready. Yeah, you can see how the pork is doing. Now we are at that stage of the oiling. Is there a term like the oiling? Oh my goodness. What am I even saying? Anyway, I want all the oil to come out of the pork, of the meat, so that I can be able to just cook it without too much oil. There we go. Oh, the kitchen is smelling so nice. The aroma, something else. I'll allow it to cook for a few more minutes because all this, you see, all this fatty. This, I don't want it to come out. So I add more minutes. Yeah. I've drained some of the oil because it was too much. So what I'll do, I'm going to add in my onions, my ginger paste, and I'm going to allow it to cook. Here are the onions. I'm going to put in my ginger. I'm going to give it some nice turning. Very good. So for the onions, I'm not going to let them overcook. Just a bit over heating up. Then I'll add in my tomatoes, my capsicum, and the tomato paste here, plus the soya sauce. Oh yeah, I almost forgot about that. Don't let the onions overcook. It's about time I add in the rest of the ingredients. My kitchen is smelling so nice. Oh my goodness. Wow. I wish this video was picking even all the aroma in my kitchen right now, you know. Oh, smelling so nice. But too bad. I'll just tell you about it as I enjoy the aroma. So here, I'll go in with my tomatoes. There we go. Then let's do the capsicum. Not a lot, just one was enough. Look at that. You're almost getting what you're looking for. So I'll just allow it to cook for what? For like 3, so that the tomatoes can crush up, plus the capsicum. Now then after that I can begin with my spices. Now at this point it's allowed to cover. It's allowed there. 2 minutes. The tomatoes are already cooked up, and the capsicum. Now from here, I'm going to add in my spices, then allow it to cook once more. I'll start with the capsicum. No, sorry, I'll start with paprika. Here. That's enough. Then I go in with the garam masala. Then I'm going to put in my garam masala there. There you go. Just a little of spicing it up. Then I dig in my soy sauce. This dark soy sauce. Not going to put a lot. That's enough. Because you know with the soy sauce it's salty and I had already put salt in, so to avoid my food being way too salty or overdoing the salt, that will be enough. Then I'm going to put in my tomato paste, then give it a good mix. There we go. Now this is what I was waiting for. The color it's giving. You see? This is called the wet fry. Pork wet fry. Looking so nice, looking so yummy. I'll just allow it to cook for 2 minutes, then I'll garnish it up and it's ready for eating. Here we go. Oh, it looks so nice and so yummy. This is what I wanted. It's ready. The spices are smelling so nice. Now this is where I like putting in my spices. Everyone has their own way. Yeah, you can. There are those who cook the spices after they have cooked their onions. But for me, I just love it doing it here because you know, they won't be overcooked. The aroma will still be fresh. The taste will be tasty, you know. So my pork is ready. Look at that pepper. What do you think? You're salivating, right? Oh my goodness. Can't wait to dig in here. So I'm going to garnish it up. Here. There are my well-washed cat corianders. There. Give it a nice mix. And we're good to go. Oh, looking so nice. Oh, pork looks so nice. Can't wait to dig in this with ugali and some veggies. Yeah, so let's now do the ugali. Time to dig in. You can see. Oh my god, look at that plate. Look at that plate. Looking so nice, looking so yummy. So I'll dig in and taste whatever I've been cooking. That is pork, some creamed spinach, avocado, and the ugali. So let's go in. This is how you do your ugali. You make a hole right there, you see? Then you put some skumas. There's those who call them the kills. And a piece of meat. There, let me test. Oh my goodness. The food is so yummy. On a scale of 1 to 10, oh God, I'll give it, oh my goodness. I'll give it a 10.9. It's so nice, so yummy. I just love it. I just love, oh God. What do you think of the meal? Look at that. Look at that. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. I need to sit down. I need to enjoy the meal. It's so nice. You can feel the taste of the pork. You can feel the spices. You can feel the cream in the spinach, you know. So please allow me just to sit down and enjoy my meal. That was Bee's Kitchen for you. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Please share, share, share. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.